In this video, we will explore the top 5 financial investing tips designed specifically for beginners, helping you navigate the world of investment with confidence and clarity. Starting with the first tip, it's essential to understand the basics of investing, which will lay the groundwork for your journey into the financial markets. Next, we'll discuss the importance of diversifying your portfolio, ensuring you spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Our third tip emphasizes setting clear financial goals, helping you stay focused and motivated throughout your investing journey. In the fourth tip, we will cover the significance of educating yourself continuously about market trends and investment strategies to make informed decisions. Finally, we will explore the value of starting small and gradually increasing your investments, allowing you to gain experience and build confidence as you grow. With these 5 tips in hand, you're well equipped to embark on your financial investing journey, making informed decisions as you build your wealth over time. Remember, patience is key in investing. As you apply these tips consistently, you'll develop the skills needed to navigate the financial landscape successfully. As you reflect on your journey, keep track of your progress and continue to adjust your strategies based on what you learn along the way. Ultimately, your path as an investor is unique. Embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and remain open to learning from every experience. Consider seeking guidance from experienced mentors or advisors who can offer personalized insights to enhance your investment strategy. As you progress, take time to appreciate the support you receive from those around you. And remember that every investor has their own story. Celebrate your milestones and successes with your community, knowing that each step brings you closer to achieving your financial dreams together. Visualize your goals and dreams, allowing them to motivate you on this journey, reminding you why you embarked on the path of investing in the first place. Take action today by implementing what you've learned, knowing that every moment spent educating yourself and investing brings you closer to your financial aspirations. Share your knowledge and experiences with others, fostering a supportive community where everyone can learn and grow together in the world of investing.